As we are, it's your girl Unique Game. Welcome back to another video Unique made. So in today's video, we're going to be opening more Mini Brands Create Tray. Now, I did a video like this already before 2 months ago. Now I'm going to do a video about this again. But this time it's different. At least I think it is. So, anyway, let's get into today's video. Anyway, first packet is the instructions, and by the looks of it, it's obviously the chocolate cake. I wonder if all this stuff right here smells good the minute I open it. That makes perfect sense. There's a UV light, to dry the cake up faster. And if it's making it. This packet is the whipped cream to put on the cake. Here's the whipped cream. Here's the chocolate sauce. Here's cherries to go on the cake too. And here's the chocolate cake base thing. And here's the sprinkles too. And here's the last of the pieces to place and whatnot. Where we can actually make the cake. Alright, so alright, here's the chocolate cake base, like I said. Which is supposed to be the layers of the cake, but when you just get your probably ask what that is. And I'm showing you guys the instructions and whatnot about what we should do. And that's what we don't really need the instructions, because we're going to do the same thing we did last time by using our imagination. We don't really need to use the instructions. We're just telling you this right now, because we can make it any way we want, any type of different way we want. But maybe making it like this probably wouldn't be a bad idea. But I will say this: I'm gonna do some parts of you know, of the instructions. I'm probably just gonna do the whole thing. I don't know. We'll see. All right. First things first. We the first layer of the cake with the whipped cream on. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh, you have to take this off first. Alright, second, we're going this way it won't come out. Alright, second we're gonna put cherries on it. Let's try this again. All right, second, we're going. Now we're gonna put the. All right, second, we're gonna on top of it. Put cherries on it. Okay. Make it look like a sandwich. Okay. Let's see. Maybe. I'm going to do the same thing again. Alright, the strawberries on top of here too. Now we're gonna put the second layer of cake on top of it. Make it look like a sandwich. Piece of cake, obviously. Literally. And we're gonna do the same thing again. Spread out. Okay, the strawberries on top of here too. Then we're going to use the UV light to dry it. I don't know about you guys, but I like it. At least this way. But anyway, alright, so that's it for today's video. Share this video with your friends and family and stuff. If you want to see more YouTube videos like this, or if they might be interested in videos like this, subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you like videos like, if you're interested in videos like this, like I said, and ring that bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video, which is every week by the way. And I will see you guys in my next video. And remember to stay awesome, be yourself, don't let anybody put you down, no matter what they say. And ciao, sweethearts.